Plenty things I want to talk. Plenty things he get the pot. No food in day to talk. Graduating no get the work. People they suffer for our side, oh. Some sickness just they feed them die, oh. What do we go do, my brother? I don't know. I say I don't know. Some they die for east, oh. Some they die for west, oh. Hunger they for not to child. Nigeria my country. See Nigeria they find the greener pastures. Some follow land, they don't go die for Libya, oh. Some follow sea, they don't go die for water. I beg you, tell me when this country was better. Wahala oh, now in Nigeria the best. Na hunger oh, they killing passing disease. Wahala oh, now in my people the best. Na hunger oh, they killing passing disease. See, some they fight for Senate house, oh. Some even they sing for the Senate house, so I just we are new there. Them go old, them no go please come on, so. Wahala dey this country, oh. Wahala dey this country, oh. Hunger dey this country, oh. Hunger dey this country, oh. Person go school, don't go get work. Wahala dey this country, oh. See hospital say them no go work. Hunger dey this country, oh. Wahala dey, it dey. Wahala dey this country, dey. Hunger dey, it dey. Hunger dey this country, dey. Wahala dey, it dey.
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute, Double J. Come ready and amigo. I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. It don't say where we they suffer, we not offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me I got tired of our government. Tell me why they can't lie about empowerment. Try don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do when you see them. Hey, come ready and amigo. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Complete the work and go the chop out. There is no trace. They know they plan the way to migrate, but it's too late. Come ready and amigo. We don't surrender until we obey. Complete the work and go the chop out. There is no trace. They know they plan the way to migrate, but they must achieve. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Why you say if election time go reach, to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, if you let's say I get answer for you, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to Momo, go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they die for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, come on, no lights. See us with the sun because they put us for eat. I'm on with the para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigeria, it's time for us to stand up. All I hear down the rest, if you look into my eyes, you go see say you the right though. Come ready and amigo. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Complete the work and go the chop out. There is no trace. They know they plan the way to migrate, but it's too late.
Yeah, good day, brothers and sisters. You know, today's date is Kataka. Today's date is Saturday, October 6, 2018. I came out today from Mega Comrade Clement Edegbe. That is personal Facebook. However, there are a lot of issues we need to talk about today. Don't sleep, wake up. If you have anyone that is sleeping, wake them up. They gotta wake up. You know what I'm saying? So share this video. We did a little bit of trickish today. So however, I'm going to go ahead and share mine. There's a lot I am going to talk about right now. Sometimes people expect Mega Comrade. Like I respect our father in the palace. I want people to see what is happening. So I will respond very soon. I will respond very soon. And when I respond, it's going to be what do I call it? Akataka. You never start. Share this video. Just go ahead and share this video. That is what I'm telling you. Share this video. Because what happened in Nigeria today is a thing everyone need to cry about. Today was a convention day. Our party, AAC, we thank God it was successful. Today is a PDP day as well. You know? So the convention they did, PDP did, it is something that we all need to, you know, to talk about. So without delay, I'm going to go straight to the point. Do not sleep. Wake up, Nigerians. Do you know why I said that word? Don't sleep and wake up, Nigerians. I am going to tell you why I do that. If you want me to invite you to contribute into this issue, I will be very willing to do that and contribute to it. You can let me know. I will invite you because this Nigerian problem is becoming, be careful. So we are not going to, give me a second. We are not going to let it kill us. Okay? Now, I wish, let me quickly say this. I'm just a little bit shocked, and not only shocked, I am a little bit tired to see that today I become very weak. Why? I see where Nigeria is going. Nigerians are sleeping. They are sleeping. War is a battle. War, it is a battle. War is a battle, but let us be honest. Without war, Nigeria will never be able to survive corruption epidemic. Because APC and PDP is about to create another civil war in Nigeria. Today, PDP, Bukola Saraki, PDP presidential aspirant, Bukola Saraki, what they call it? The old man, former vice president, all PDP candidate. I happen to know someone who was one of the PDP delegates who went to Port Harcourt. They were sharing for $4,000. PDP were sharing for $4,000 minimum cash. Then Atiku Abubakar and Bukola Saraki, they were competing. They started even went up to high to $8,000 raw dollar. Allegedly, one of my APC PDP supporter, his friend happens to be one of the delegates, and they gave him dollar cash, not in naira. They no longer deal on naira, dollar cash. How did PDP, who are not in power, were able to obtain raw dollars. And Adam Ali Oshomole, APC, are distributing dollars for talks. Military cannot stop this. Military is there, they cannot stop it. The police are now APC Boko Haram police officers. Not all of them. Not all of them. You know what I'm saying? If you know you have information and you want me to invite you, just write it for me to invite you. My children will tell me. So, akataka. The only thing that will solve Nigeria problem is war. I have come to understand that is the only thing that will solve Nigeria problem. No other thing. With all the effort that I put in this, people are not ready. For change. The youth are being corrupt. Imagine you are a delegate, you get $8,000. $8,000 in Nigeria. Just for you to vote for a presidential aspirant. PDP, I told you people, I'm a PDP card holder. I told you people. Can you imagine? PDP, we are sharing $4,000 to $8,000 cash for delegate. What did AAC? PDP is not the only one that did a convention today. AAC did a convention. What did AAC share? Zero. Nada. Zero. Nada. Even my family that went to AAC convention, they slept outside last night. Outside. My own family. PFA representative that came, no hotel to sleep, nothing. The hotel in that area were full booked. Some of them, they have to try to go to a long distance. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you how determined people is. If I can be able to give my family orientation, what corruption can cost, and my family were able to sleep outside in order to attend Comrade Omoyele Sowore AAC convention, why did 1 million Nigerians not do the same? You can ask AAC TRB executive. All night I didn't sleep. Phone call we were calling. They were outside. For those who were lucky to get a room, the room could not contain a lot of people. The others left for a far distance. Even I call. That one we will save it for another day. Nigeria is finished. Nigeria is finished. Oh. The only thing that will solve Nigeria problem is war. It's war. War. That war will come, civil war. They will kill all these political leaders. They will kill all of them one by one. They will just kill them, put a gun in their head and kill them one by one. Political leaders, corrupt leaders that create the civil war will be the number one casualty. Number one casualty. And the next people are those on social media who see the truth and did not speak the truth. Put a bullet in their head. And I believe me, the Western world will be very happy. British will be very happy to send ammunition to Nigeria to kill themselves. To hell with them, black. They will be very happy. So that Bukola Saraki and Muhammadu Buhari, they will be happy. Obasanjo will be happy. They will light up Obasanjo house on fire. Oshomole house on fire. Everywhere on fire. Bullet hole will be everywhere in Nigeria. That's without killing all these Nigerian leaders, there will be no peace in Nigeria. I prophesy today. Sunday, this is not what I was going to talk about. Sunday, Saturday, 6 October 2018. I prophesy, the tiger and the lion combine, mega combat. The only thing that will make Nigeria move forward is for civil war to come. And that civil war is coming. I can sense it. I feel it. If the Nigerian military are not even capable to handle the revolution war that is coming, because this is not 1960, this is not 1967 or 68 or 65 or whatever, 1970. This is the generation of drums, where a little Nigerian children can just go to their backyard in America and design a drum, plant something on it, fly it to Nigeria. This one not be Biafra war. No be Biafra war. As you people said, PDP and APC, you people do not want to leave corruption alone. You people said you will die with corruption. We will let you all die first. Mega Comrade is in America. Very soon now, my family, they don't want to come. I have told them several times. They say, when with America, you want him. Villagers, they would rather die in the village. They have nothing to lose. One time. Even this 1 week, less than 4 days since I came from Boston, today I completed 43 hours that I did. Guess what? These 43 hours that I did this week was supposed to go towards the debt I'm owing in Europe. But instead, I have went to the debt I created because of AAC in Lagos. I never know that, it was going to come. I put debt upon my head. Debt upon debt. Why? Because of the corruption in Nigeria. So, go ahead and read the comments on Facebook there. Yes. So, brothers and sisters, do not even think whether you contribute for Sowore, you don't contribute for Sowore. If Sowore cannot win, and he did not win, there's no sugarcoating about it. Mega Comrade is prophesying today. Civil war is about to happen in Nigeria. And that civil war will start with revolution. Revolution. That revolution, people that are causing Mega Comrade now, everyone will be calling me, you are really God sent. The king of the poor. The king of the innocent poor citizen worldwide. The tiger and the lion combined. That is the truth. So we all should be preparing for it. The only thing that will save Nigeria, I repeat, the only thing that will save Nigeria, that will stop this Nigeria corruption epidemic, is war. Only war. Hello? Yes. Okay. Do you want me to put it on speakerphone? All right. Yes, go ahead.
Good evening, sir. My leader, I respect you for your good work you are doing. I want to contribute. My name is Murphy Obi. I believe what we really need in Nigeria is regionalism, regional system of government, just like the way they do it in Britain, where they have Scotland, they have England, they have Wales, they also have Northern Ireland. We are not one in Nigeria. We are just fixing ourselves to be Nigeria. There is nothing like Nigeria there. That is, the northern people, they have their own culture, they have their way of living. We still have our own way of living. Before the British people left Nigeria, they make us to be northern region, western region, midwestern region, eastern region. So we have regions. By this time we are forcing ourselves to live together, we get a big problem because the thing does not work. This problem we have today was caused by the late, what is called this man? Abu Ironsi. The first military coup that brought us into this system. So this is not good for us. The problem we have is regionalism. We want each region to control their resources control. What I'm trying to say is that we want to control our wealth. We from the south, we have oil, we have good land, we have good vegetation. The wealth of our country come from just the south. So we want us to go back to 1960, when Nigeria was 4 regions. That is the only answer to our solution. But you change PDP to APC, APC to DPP, the situation will continue to worse. So the only solution, not war, to me, I believe Nigeria have to go into region. Everybody have to concentrate on their own. They have to be regional police. The South have to have their own region. That is regionalism, like England. Scotland have their own government. England have government, but they have what's called prime minister. They, just like in Germany. Germany is regional system of government. I live in a state called Northwest State. They have prime minister. In Berlin, they also have their own prime minister, but they have one leader that controls them. They pay tax to the central government. But Nigeria, we don't know the type of government they are operating in Nigeria. Only the president control all our resources. We don't even know what is this government. The president control police. They don't have state police. They don't have, yes, sir.
Let me tell you what happened today.
Yes, sir.
What happened today is the problem. You remember when this Nigeria useful idiot Kenneth Okonkwo came out? He said Buhari is the Messiah, right? Kenneth Okonkwo from Nottingwood. They call them Nollywood. It's Nottingwood.
I know him. I know.
Okay, Kenneth Okonkwo spill every rubbish he want to spill. It's after Kenneth Okonkwo could not get the governorship candidate. What did he say? He said Buhari is the worst. That APC is the worst party, right? Good.
Yes.
Today, PDP we are sharing 4,000 cash in Port Harcourt. I'm
aware of it.
Okay.
$4,000, $8,000.
Dollars. $8,000 cash. My brother, I work for these 4 days. Since I came back from Boston on Tuesday, from New York. I started working on Wednesday. Till today, I just get up from work. Okay.
That is not Nigerian money, sir. I put off a mistake. That money can share because the southern part of Nigeria, from the State, Delta State.
God bless you. So let me go.
Money. It's not the northern money. It's our money. This is not Nigerian money.
Right.
This money, 98% of the money Nigeria have come from Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Cross River. That is where the money come from. We own this money. This is not Nigerian money. It's from the only one region. That is why we say we want a regional government. That is what we want. But we will see how they will use the money. We will have regional police.
Okay. So God bless you. Thank you. We're going to talk, okay? So, brothers and sisters, thank you. Brothers and sisters, when I saw this today, I feel like I have been stabbed. I said, wow. Then when you look at the situation of Nigerians, the way they behave, then you will forced to realize that Nigeria, some of the Nigerian youth are irredeemable. Corruption have destroyed them. They have been corrupt. And nothing you can do about it. Everybody wants for himself. These are irredeemable Nigeria. You cannot redeem them from their corruption way of life. That is the fact. So, I am telling you, Sowore Omoyele Sowore is now the candidate for AAC. You know? So let me answer this call. Yes.
Good evening.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I really want to appreciate you. I really want to thank you for what you have been doing for AAC.
Thank you,
For
sir.
what you have been telling Nigeria ever since. But Nigeria, they are not ready.
At all.
They are not ready. You know, so you have tried your best. Although you have been taking us from answers,
Right.
or like you know,
Correct.
if Nigeria decided, let them put Muhammadu Buhari there. If Nigeria decide, let them put PDP candidate there. But the repercussion will also come back to them.
Okay.
So, because now they are not supporting Showore.
They are not. They are not.
Yeah. They are not supporting Showore because they are just underrating Showore like a small baby that he cannot do anything. It's not that Showore is not capable to rule Nigeria. But just because of tribalism, interest, that's why they are just doing those ones to Showore. But they can't really have the intention to face Nigeria to normal standard as he can do it, but he cannot do all. He can only do a little bit out of it. Now, because today I was watching the conversation between EAC, PDP, and APC is doing their own now. They are distributing money. The money is there for it to spend, but the Nigerian citizens, they are still collecting the money.
Raw dollars for delegate. Raw dollars for delegate.
How much are you going to collect for 4 years? 4,000, 5,000 naira for 4 years.
Okay.
We are not, as I did, so I'm not the Nigerian my people. I did that country. I did live where I get job. But when they consider for now, we did there. Make una support this young boy, making it. Who not get work, go get work. Who goes school, go get work. Who not see go school, go see get work. All my players, they work for Europe, for America, for all over the world. They feel they build that for their country. They feel they live where. What is their problem?
Okay.
Daddy, you don't try. I really want to appreciate you. You don't try.
I have done my best. God bless you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yes, as you can see, even with what I have done for the people of Edo State, what did they do? Let me tell you. If you like, you should support Omoyele Sowore. If you like, don't support. After 2019, I prophesy today, civil war in Nigeria. They will kill all of you. Watch, civil war in Nigeria. And the first people who are going to destroy you people are the Libya returning. The innocent poor citizen that you people have decided to abandon. Forgetting Nigerians, forgetting the poor citizens. They will be the first one. Nigeria military is no match to them. Boko Haram have disgraced Nigeria military. They have disgraced them. Corruption everywhere. Corruption. Corruption epidemic. Even the European unions, the British government, they are encouraging Nigeria corruption. They will take our money, they will not return it. You know what I'm saying? As of today for PDP, where did PDP get the money? Bukola Saraki, Atiku Abubakar, and the rest of them, where do they get their money? Then you see Nottingwood Star, the lineup. Nigeria youth are busy worrying about mega company. You see what I'm saying? Support Omoyele Sowore. Nobody can even say, Sowore, I will finance this your campaign. We will help you. No way. They want to drill him. I'm not I'm a one of the father and mother of AAC. One of the father and the mother. The little I have, look at the work I work this week now. You have gone. The debt is already waiting for it in Lagos. Even though I'm owing debt already. But I'm still struggling to support Omoyele Sowore. I am still struggling. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Buhari have already started bringing Chinese. Chinese is killing human beings. They are using them for beef. I can't even show the picture. They grant them. The evidence is there everywhere. 2019 civil war in Nigeria. I see a lot of dead bodies. I want you, if you stand there, go ahead and type amen. May God not let this civil war happen in Nigeria in Jesus' mighty name. Because if it happens, nobody will survive it. All these our leaders, so-called fake leaders that are eating our money, they will die and leave the money. I pray for civil war not to come. And there's no way about it. If Omoyele, if you people did not support Omoyele, the only person that will win in Nigeria, that Muhammad Buhari will say, I am going to hand over for, is Omoyele Sowore. If not Omoyele Sowore, forget about it. Forget about it. That is the fact. That is the fact. Let me tell you, Nigeria youth, 90% of Nigeria youth are problem. They're sleeping. They are not ready. This AAC convention that they did in Lagos, I know what I went through. They know how to, with the Benin, they know how to use Benin to try to create problem for you and make themselves look good. They want you to hand them everything. You will be the one to tell them to go to Lagos. You will tell them to register, they will not register. You will tell them to do that with... I respect one person, Comrade Anabo, who said, I never knew that this was serious. That coming to Lagos, for him not to find a place to sleep at 2 a.m. in the midnight, and he decided to just sleep outside, what the suffer he suffered. And I respect him for that. That is my junior brother. How many people, even the money I help raise for them, a lot of people that are not raising money, they go to Lagos, I enjoy it. But me that is helping them raising the money, I know how many receipts they sent to me today. My family were on the street. My family, this is why this job that I'm doing is not good. But God that appointed me to be doing it, have a reason for it. Can you imagine those that their parents are insulting me? Their mother, their brother, their sister are insulting me. They were the same one that went and enjoyed the fruit of my labor. So painful. Why my family were on the street. Today they have to go to what they call it, via Victoria Island, to go and lodge in a hotel close to American Embassy that I know. They were going to go back to Benin. Some of them left without me even calling them. I almost get insulted by one of the officials from Edo State. He even boasted, he said he has spent almost ₦1 million. I said, you are boasting, fighting for ₦1 million that you have spent. Do you know what? I lost my life for AAC. So ₦1 million, almost ₦1 million, that is what you want to, that is Nigeria for you. Nigerian youth are not ready. I remember when I speak to Charlie Boy, he told me, he said, Mega Comrade, he said, I am tired. I tried to encourage him. He said, Nigerian youth are not ready. That was about 2 months ago. Charlie Boy, Mumu Tontu, he said, Mega Comrade, Nigerian youth are not ready. He said, these boys, they are just beating, fighting themselves. They are not ready. He said, I'm tired. I tried to encourage him. But today, after what I heard, for PDP, who are condemning Buhari to be sharing $4,000 to $8,000 for just primary. Bukola Saraki. Imagine what are they going to share on election day? If Nigerians, let me tell you, just imagine what is happening in Edo State now. Person that is giving them rice, and person that is teaching them how to hunt on fish on their own, they would rather die and follow the person that give them 1 plate of rice a week than you that is training them how to work on their own for the rest of their life. They want a handout. Handout. That is what they want. I have done my best. There's no more problem of passport. Now I will concentrate on what I will do. Pro Foundation is a foundation. Now that I've seen a lot of people continue. Osarajo Osage wife is in Canada seeking a political asylum, and he went and enjoyed Canada, scamming Canada. His wife is in Adoro house. He could not remove his wife from Adoro house. He's sending his people to be insulting me. Fine. I will join you. I will join you to be cooking for them. You say you want to be cooking. Me, I will join you. We will do it together. We will do it together. We will do it together. There is no time. We will do it together. Give me time. I will arrange it. We will do it together. Where I live a week with you. Maybe I live a week with you. When I live a day. Now, if you ever I am where I have your name. So, where are you? How are you? What do we? Since we were in any matter, but when we say, I will respond at an appropriate time. Appropriate time. Oh, how you see Winifred in Canada. I will pick up before and call immigration. Show your Facebook page to them. How she was coming along with you. I will expose it straight. Me, I don't have time. I will call Canadian immigration by myself. By myself. Her visa is expired in America. She don't have American visa no more. Before her visa expired, that is how she run to Canada. So, that is it. Omono where are we? Here we hence we were and when you go or you move west and any mago by white. I will respond an appropriate time for that. But for now, today, my heart is bleeding. My head is about to explode on what PDP did today. I worked so hard. How? You have to work to earn $4,000. But Nigerians, they don't know better. They have corruption syndrome. They are irredeemable. Every other citizen around the whole world are clinging to work, to job, but Nigeria are clinging. They are clinging to corruption and scamming. They cling to scamming and corruption. Can you imagine that? Where is the EFCC? Fake EFCC. Where is the corruption Muhammad Buhari is fighting? Zero. I told you, mark my word. I'm about to get off online. I will see you on Monday. Like I stated, I have listened to some good people. For Osarajo Osage to continue to be a snake under the grass, his nuclear family will pay for him. Me, and we don't even respond to anyone. Osarajo Osage, we also once and so ye. Osarajo Osage, kiye, I myself, I'm saying it. When I'm saying it now, it's because I'm still warning him. The day I will do it, I will not come on social media. I will pick up a phone. I will call Canadian immigration. It's just right here. You Google it. Google Canada Immigration Home Office. Bang. Winifred Osarajo Osage. I heard he seek Adoro asylum in Canada. Why? He's married. His husband, her husband, is running foundation. They collecting money online. What? Under what status? That is number one. They will deport her. You go and fight for your wife. Fight like I fight for my wife. Do the same thing that I did. You go and fight. Go and fight for your wife and bring your wife legally. Legally. Walk here outside you mean whether you know boy Yahweh. Onana teboyi. Anana vitaloyi. Legal way. Legal way. Legal way. Yo how you wadurure. Yeah, you wadurure. That is what they call Osho Free Foundation. Osho Free Foundation. Satan Sent Foundation. Osho Free Foundation. Yo how you wadurure. Yeah, you wadurure those are not again. Ugakpani amune. A kitchen is there. Everything is there. That is where you are broadcasting. You are busy. Listen, don't get that boy money. Many people they know the year word. If not like, more gonna give him heaven ahead. Make gonna give him. He should go and take his wife. I have helped him to beg for his wife to allow him to come back. But I didn't beg him to leave his wife in Adoro house. Go and remove your wife from Adoro house. Good or bad, my wife is not in Adoro house. I thank God for that. As poor as I am. Leave the Adoro house for the poor, not for the rich. This is the problem. You are abusing the system. Tomorrow now, Canadian now here now, anybody that come from Nigeria, they will be investigating. They will be investigating. That is the fact. These are the corruption that I'm fighting against. Corruption. Is Osadio Osage cannot pay for a room for his wife? Why Osadio Osage his own matrimonial wife in Adoro house? Tell me what in Adoro house. And you are telling your people to be insulting me. Aso wazana. Aso ye. The problem is the first one, I have won the first battle. I have won the second one. The third one, I will win it. And this one will be the last one. After they deport your wife, those people will just cry. They will deport her. Bah! When they deport her, then you will. But it's already one. No, they go up. Not to work having okay. But to my way, every man when I'm measure for. Or when I will, you don't want rest. You begin to engineer them. I will not even talk to them. Your head. Yeah. Thank God, many people they have saw everything. They have seen it. So that is how it is. That is how it is. The only thing that will solve Nigerian problem is civil war. Simple. That is it. I have listened to some of my people, and I want to quickly thank Ambassador Blessing, the great Blessing. And I want to thank my niece, and I want to thank my nephew, Serena. God bless you. I love you so much. Ambassador Blessing, I love you all so much. Please, I will close this thing to thank all the men and women who have helped TRB, who have helped take it back. Omoyele Sowore become a presidential candidate today, not by our power, but by the power of God. When you see youth are fighting Sowore, what have Sowore done to them? Nothing. So it don't matter. Irredeemable youth, no matter what you will do to them, not by your by you now who will stop stealing will stop stealing. Not everyone will stop. It don't matter whatever you say, they will never stop. No matter what, they will never stop. They will never stop. So whether you like, you don't like, what I will tell you, mark today's date. If you refuse to support Omoyele Sowore, you refuse, my name is not there. Go and check the executive. My name is not there. I am doing this for Sowore. Once you win, I will help you put those criminals, those corrupt leaders in jail. That's all I ask for. I will help you build a big jail, a big one, that they will stay. It's only Sowore can solve the problem now. Sowore is not perfect. I'm not saying it's not perfect. It's perfect. Tomorrow you might hear this, hear that. It's not perfect. I am not perfect either. You know what I'm saying? I am not perfect either. But one thing I will not do, for me to take a pastor Pastor Asabo. Asabo, his father is a multi-millionaire. Asabo went ahead, allowed our own daughter to go and be seeking as Adoro. The people are going to the church. He go involve the church. He go involve everybody. You know what I'm saying? But that fake pastor, Winifred father, it's a fake pastor. I know him. He's my friend. He's a fake pastor. Tell him Mega Kobe said that. When I was staying in his hotel, I was there when he was discussing it. I was there when he was discussing it. I was there, the limit. I was there. I have evidence. I have witness. He's not a pastor. He's not a pastor. That is the first coming. Osajo Osage used his wife to be doing. Like father, like daughter. Like father, like daughter. It is what I say. Pastor Asabo, he go involve her. Hence, this master that here I'm fighting against corruption. You are promoting corruption. Our set, you know. Our set. Okona mokba wa gbe. Our set for. He just said, our set. Anybody that want to go on social media and do video, you are very free. If you don't know how to do it, I will teach you. Express your voice. Tell our leader to stop corruption. Whatever you can do, don't use it to constitute nuisance. If you want to fight for equality, fine. If you want to fight for whatever they want to do, it may but when I choose to respond, I will just carry phone. I will put for my ear every day. I will lock him. I will just start. Activate Operation Pattern Dance on social media. Operation Pattern Dance. Why? They say Operation Pattern Dance. They did. Where is now the Kwanu today? Exactly. I told the people, I warned the people that was again. This is the worst terrorist that is coming. It will be worse than Tony Kabaka. Today now, the other one is insulting women. He said, woman, when you don't do prostitute. I go so bring the video. And I will even show it. Osadio people, after you collect money from women when you do prostitute, you eat their food, you use them, now say there not be anybody. If Nairanomigo talk that word, hey wo akataka, the whole social media for no explode. The whole social media for no explode. For somebody who call himself Go Self Foundation member, he did not only insult the old women, he insulted my mother as well. All women. Did your father marry your mother as a virgin? Me, if I want to marry 10 women, I will go to Italy and marry 10 women. It's nobody's business. It's nobody's business. If I want to marry 100, I go marry. It's nobody's business. For Satan Foundation now promoting anti-women. Say, woman, when you don't do prostitute, you know, go do outside your family. You know, go marry, but you collect their money. You go ni aya be Uriyo. Why I dedicate Canada? Why Canada will to buy it? Canada will yo. Oh yo, eruni nanwe. No hawe, no settle with you. No biele, no more barang bari. Only mega goji. Me ma get terrorist na. O jemina. O ma fuao. O ma fuao sa ojon. O ma fuao. O ma fuao. Now uri agone. E bogumu gbe o ha me age. Asha we gbe agia. Eyan hi o ha ma ki agbegun. Because uhie e move am wa. E move am wa. Ihoriro word o uro ye. O ga era na. Uyere hypocrite. Uhi. Hypocrite. 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 Uwaki. You know what I'm saying? Hypocrite. You know what I mean? Hypocrite. So that is it. That is it. And I want to quickly tell people, whenever you are blocked on my Facebook, there's no unblock. I love some of them. Some of them, they made a mistake. They write something they are not supposed to write. But, you know, they were blocked. So, I'm sorry. I try and not be lazy. So I want you to know, AAC member, that I love you all so much. And I'm proud of you all. the successful convention that you all did, and I'm happy that the devil is a liar upon how Tony Kabaka and the enemy they try to penetrate. Even their agents are still angry with me. They try to come and hijack the party. The hijacking plan have failed. They have failed. They could not hijack the party. So we thank God for that. Osage ekilama uyi ona ekilama uyi ona awa egwa hwa ehwa obobavipi ehwa oboy ya kanwena ebe kwa ogwa Canada me Ruffian na he go say na he want to ambassador of Point. Tomorrow he go say na medical doctor he want to. Next tomorrow na car he go come the back. Everything he have tried to that boy wa boy dey arakparakpa no gi oji ojoba yewu owo kai ogbo ewe di na he with the wife the planner he with Winifred they are the scammer. Winifred and his father Winifred and her father asabo ojoba yewu iwa ho limit na my money they raise iwa ojoba a church ni ya gbe fake church fake go tell us about that Eranomigo. He knows me very well. Go and tell us about Eranomigo. A day in office for limit when he talk. A hit 419 or 4120 or ya be limit. Or he boy he go hero. Mana total my ha. My total where we are we be. Or the generator here go there. We are dead is all. And you hear millionana. In Rias go and sabo. Or Rias go. We los age we an si ho ala we na o si la o igwe ve church ni ma gwe va after o yan shoko ye do na ma gwe va okay o kan ya wa o ma fali na eseti ri America o awa wo ya fali e me nwina o boy FB wo ya fali e wo ya we wo kan ya we me nwina me paycheck you no get paycheck you know they work now designer they wear if it touch jealousy niku wasi wani jealousy waswe wakpoboyo awo bofibi awi yele kuto no ri abawo o eri mama gwa wa ma ge social media wa ma ge gbe oho social media wa ma ge gbe oho wo sage eti anibi ya ri gbe oyo won sabo ruan ima fama we obi ogwe wa he fake pastor. Asabo, the limit is a fake pastor. Fake. Like that is where very soon Sage go start church. He go call and God say foundation church. All this year le coupe. They go just start. He don't be called Emuvara Joba Jeru. Where we now? Today in America, tomorrow in London, next tomorrow in Germany. Ruffian people money. Go and stay for 10 hours, 11 hours, go and stay 12 hours. Go and stay and see if you will spend that money anyhow. Go and do it. Try it and see if you will spend it anyhow. Where that was I just again. Man, I don't give her money for Europe. If I give her an asabi, that boy, a bonasabo, Harry, Winifred, carry and go down to you. Pray the land, pray the Lord, no Lord, you are your papa. Winifred, you are your father, no Lord. Tell your papa, Nama, you know me, wait. Ask your father. If you say no know me, you know him. Another pastor lying. Ask her. There is a guy now who is a high-ranking police officer, who is the ADC to Lagos State Commissioner Police. He's working there with ADC to Lagos State Governor. He's working with the Lagos. I was the one that directed that officer to your father's hotel when he cut a hotel. He cut it to rent. From hotel to rent. Ask your father. I know you now very, very well. Oh boy, if you be 4120. 4120. Go marry for 419 family. The Kuna. Where we gonna hear it? When the years I say insurance, deal with them. When I they talk 2 million, they talk how many million so I get. They don't know say me as smart way now as wife your year 2 kini 2 point something kini $1 million. Hey, I go quick. Honey, come on in a wadi. What you say, 2.something million. They are now finding another way to scam. Now talk upon talk with people money. When winner. When I don't help you, you said try it and see how it be. I say okay, let me respect you. And when I heard I open a foundation, I have not even started. Sir Jones again not let me rest. Oh, I have not even started. That is the main reason why I come to the Sir Jones again not let me rest. Satan sent foundation not let me rest. Nobody let. Except if you want to survive, you go praise Satan sent foundation. If you not praise him, lie. If you praise him, how this year le kute, they go come out like okay. Yeah, get work back. Asabo. I don't talk to now. If now Osage wife, co-criminals, and Osage father-in-law, Asabo na my money they inside the money when they raise Osage wife. My money. Tell them the man will carry big red jeep come from America, 2004. Big red jeep with off-road tires. Ask your father, will tell you with light and guard everywhere. Tell her the biggest jeep in Benin 2004. Go and ask your father, ask about. Tell her, he will tell you. Exactly. You want to David Pelebe, oh Joba Yewo. Where come out of when upon you when you friend the Queen Amua? Where will buy you? Where you are like it be again? There are no big agawadi. Where you are down where you have you boy and where you will logo. Or the friend and Ivere Yafu. Always. Ivere no Ivere Yamaki Ivere. I'm your market mama gaye. And Yankee will both again. I am your market mama igi. Aye. And you will be o Buffy, o Joba Yellow, or created all this Baramiri, a criminal Satan foundation. Oh, your back, oh, Hagi and Goma, you want, Ita, Igbunak, Betadogonu. Igbunak, Betadogonu. I will respond at my appropriate time. Hapataza, Ewanahi. Hapataza, Ewanahi. This time, respond to the church of Osage in-law. Straight. A church in it. It's as a way because a sue a church in it. Satan's foundation is the same. I will send people, they will send me all the old name of that church. Everything, every day, I will tell them how that church started. If Asabo said I'm lying, let it go and chop cola in the Oba Palace. Oh yeah, exactly. It's time away. No way want go my home. Oh where? You are arrogant. You are uncontrollable. You are a ruffian. You have no respect for nobody. You are so pompous. You full of yourself. You are a terrorist. With all these bad characters. Where you never, anywhere you want to go, you don't want to work on it. Look at AAC. You wanted to sneak into AAC and hijack it with your boys. Where you did not work in AAC. You people wanted to hijack that party along with Tony Kabaka and your cabals. Satan sent foundation cabal. See what I'm saying? Now they have a David Kagwayoni. Oh, you really be new West and I know when you be your local bay. Or bay. Or fian you. Any my family or any family or my community, anybody that I've helped that want to use that help against me, he must die in Jesus' mighty name. He will die by motor accident in Jesus' mighty name. Who the Lord begging Ruby? Oh, person that I have helped that turn around. Where do I have where I shall you where I shall when not where I shall you where I shall God send family you where I shall we boka who when we do where I shall let us again on this virgin Winifred. I buffer me Eviere Koto Wakba. Oh, Gino Eviere Eri Eviere. Go. Go to a Merafan. Go. I will cognac. Enter the parlor. Go drink cognac. Drunker. Go and drink cognac. Drunker. Ikpakbe and dan wawasa bo wa un wa ya rebe go. Wa na get be o hedo. Osajo Sage Mage OME. They were foundation in Benin before Osajo Sage. Or Mage OME, nobody hear what they get. Any other foundation Sage destroyed them with diabolical power. Now only my own, he never feel destroyed. But he not rest them. He not rest them. And so bad they could not talk quiet. They begin to talk every day. I let her enjoy. I want to make it pregnant wife. That is why I didn't talk. I said, what man just give her time, make it not say why can't no where go who back and kind of one who back on that kind of one nonsense. Do my go up I go more guapo no man I need bueno idiot. Where I go so go to why I so bad. When me Canada, what's your man do me? You saw me Canada, why you not hold me? Eh? Why you not hold me? Eh? You were about not even up to 20 feet from me. Immediately you saw me, you turn around like you want to take a picture and say, look at this small boy. Nonsense. Nonsense. That your in-law. I will expose him. I will expose him completely. I will expose him 100%. I have done everything. PFM have done it all. Whatever we say we are going to do, we already done it. That's it. All I'm praying for now is for Showore to win. People that will donate for Showore, Osage will not let it. Osage will be flying every day. Where did he come to? Where did he live? Today in Germany. Next tomorrow in New York. If you want to buy a ticket, less than 1 week, it's a heavy money. Go after even some family in Germany. These people, Bona don't give Osage money. Bona don't give. Where you go there? Boy, where you go? Where you go? No, so just again. Where you cover? It mean where you ne? Where you me? Where you ne? Where you me? Where you get what? Where you give what? If you do. I go walk. More I don't give her money. Make it go work. Make it go work. Send money to your parents. Send money to your parents. Go and help your parents. Send the money to your parents. Me I not get the little I have. I not care. I have to speak the truth. I am the king of the poor. Oh, boy, you go walking. Yes. Hey, walking. Osa Jones I give you know. Or while our poster, our poster away. Now you don't project money. You see, you don't get money that time. They Canada did it. Even I hear say even fuel. You don't even see money to buy fuel. As that, whether not the juju way they do it to the work, he go just bring one sickler from one corner. They go just arrange that. That one go just come. The money we carry from that one, I just they burn up and down. Before you know it, all the boys, in-law, Asabo go just arrange one from church. Conspiracy between Asabo Church and a Satan Foundation. They go just arrange one. They will just come out. You know, Benin people, they are giver. They are very nice. They are compassionate. They will just come out. You go see them. You will even see Saul. Before you know, so I don't say you carry that juju and catch if you go take a clean face. Why? Before you know, you don't they bring money. Once you don't start at one time, you cannot stop. Check your heart. Once you don't donate for them one time, you can't stop. You cannot stop. A dead body could marry me. You know, when I ban or I swear you talk. Nothing we do that. Look at me now. If I say anything, even my people, they insult me. That is to tell you, clean. Do not see us as they suffer. Clean. May I tell you, there are consequences of any juju when you think they collect money. Consequences, it dey. Go and ask a real native doctor, traditional doctor. Go and ask the consequences of everything. Not saying a person they worry you. Now you they worry yourself. That is it. Any type of one I like, make on a writer. That is it. Today, tomorrow I'm not working. At the house, I'm going to right now. I will respond to people at the appropriate time. But I want to tell people, once I call immigration, once I call them, they go investigate. Once I call them, there's no return in it. One and one, go carry your wife, carry and come New York. Come New York. Compassionate heart. You never even carry your wife from Adoro house. No put her for Adoro house. Go rent house. Tell Canadian government say you don't want Adoro. Go stop cheating the Canadian. My members are paying tax in Canada. OG. Even if you go ahead, so I don't say Uma will be Uma no work. Now your papa fight for you. You never fight on your own one day. Your wife, you don't feel fight for her. Nothing. Now take. That is your own in your life. Nobody they fit talk to you for social media. Anybody talk, they go to, now let me and employ this other woman that we were insulting the other day. The one you were insulting the other day, and she's better than your wife. Your wife that run away and leave a boy that they suffer together. He was already engaged because she hear America. Bah. As you know, comfy far from and she tell you, in America, you tell me not be stabbing knife, not be jacking knife, you want bring. Bah. Now she pay, woman bring your hand. You carry knife, so I don't say carry knife. As you want hit and bah, they come. As the woman come here, when I talk for social media, so I don't say get million. Now the woman say, hey, we don't say oh zoo, oh show free, Winifred, oh show free, Kenuma Huayi Warai, oh job out you. Where I just again when you work Boloto, Kera. Yeah, I not get. I have nothing to hide. I am poor. I not get anything. Finish. Oh show free. Why is it beer? Not even though now only one euro. One euro. Only one euro at the fee come out for your pocket a day. Now victory for me. 1 euro. Una way never feed una family. Now go they give money to this mobile when they take you do they collect now money. He wife say una be prostitute. Do you know some people they collect 5 euro? 5 euro, 10 euro. They will gather that 10 euro, they will give it to you, you take out the drink cognac. Imagine that. May the Lord Almighty bless Mega Comrade. God bless AAC. Take it back. PDP. Now na matter I go just day. From Monday. I go just do na matter. This one and to warn us again. Make us about no say. Waiting us again they bring the comfort and he go scatter that church. He go start because na long throat. As about they say long throat. Where they sell your old daughter for Jeep. I go expose her. For Jeep, how can a pastor sell our own daughter because of motto? I go talk amo. You know what time I'm already person when he talk and Debini, he Debini with her. He was there, he knows everything. I go talk him. Pastor when they sell your daughter for money. May God bless a Winifred mother. That she's a responsible woman. Not like a Charlie boy. Good night.
MC Wise and the Hungry Boys. Plenty friends I want to love. Plenty things he get the fought. No food in there to talk. Graduating don't get the work. People they suffer for our side, oh. Some sickness just they feed them die, oh. What do we go do, my brother? I don't know. I say I don't know. Some they die for East, oh. Some they die for West, oh. Hunger they for not to. I love you. Nigeria, my